What is going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on another video, and today I wanted to bring the news to you guys as fast as I could. Jason Tatum posted the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays on his story. I think it was on Twitter or Instagram, I'm not sure, but the whole internet is going crazy right now. I know you guys remember me talking about these Cool Gray 11s for a long time, ever since they first surfaced those pictures of the holiday 11s, man. So I'm thinking we could possibly get these joints this upcoming November or December. Recently in the video, I told you guys about the time they dropped two pair of Air Jordan 11s. It was a navy blue pair, I think it was Winlight 82s, and then dropped the Winlight 96 pairs of all red joints. So it is not out of the picture for Jordan Brand to drop two Air Jordan 11s this year. I'm super excited, and the pair that he's showing, it wasn't like a pair he got off StockX or Gold or anything like that. You can tell the shoe was super new. It was no yellowing on the outsole or anything like that, and he got the internet going crazy right now. As you guys do know, I have the low top versions right here. Check them out. I love my lows, but I need the Air Jordan 11 high Cool Grays. I need them in the collection. As you guys do know, with these, like an all suede upper, which I did not know. I thought the lows just had the suede on these joints, but the highs have them too. I'm gonna put a picture up over here so you can see Jason Tatum's fresh pair of Air Jordan 11 high Cool Grays. I'm super excited. I'm not throwing it out the picture yet that we're not gonna get them this year. We might. If we don't get them this year, we could definitely see them next year around December, but we gonna hope. You guys already know I have high hopes for any sneaker release, any shock drops, anything like that. So I'm gonna keep it in the picture for a 2020 release. You never know. Just stay tuned, have the notification bell on, get J23 app, because they the one that put the picture out to the whole internet. The internet's going crazy right now. I want to drop this video for you guys to see, what do you think? Do you think the Air Jordan 11 high Cool Grays will release this year, or do you even think they will release next year? Let me know down below in the comment section. But as you know, they haven't released since like 2013 or 2012, I'm not sure, but we ain't got them in a long time. And a lot of people has been asking for these Cool Grays to release again, and I'm just like, bro, Jordan Brand, please drop these Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. I need them in the collection. After that, all I'll probably need is the Gammas and the Legend Blues. I had them before, but I do want to get the original, the hot top, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys have been sleeping under a rock, next year they already confirmed that we will be getting a Legend Blue 11 low, but the lows are not as good as the highs, man. So please, everybody down below, drop a hashtag Cool Gray 11s, because we want Jordan Brand to see these videos. We want them to bring it out now. And just from looking at that picture, man, you can just tell it's a whole bunch more in production. They go that high hope right there, you see me? I know it's a lot in production already. They're just waiting for the official release date, and they're waiting to push those official images out to everybody. I wonder if they're gonna put like the stitched in 2-3 on the back, maybe see a 45. You just never know with Jordan Brand, but I am super excited about these Cool Gray 11s, and I know you guys watching this video is super excited as well. So like I said, down below, hashtag Cool Gray 11 2020, so Jordan Brand can see this and be like, okay, people really want these shoes, and hopefully he drop them this year. We might get a double whammy with two pair of Air Jordan 11s. You just never know. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this Cool Gray 11s. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel already, man. We on our way to 40K. We just hit 30K, man. I appreciate everybody for helping the channel out, and smash the like button right now for your boy. So all that being said, let's jump right into the rest of this video, man. Let's get it. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on another video. Today we're going to be talking about where to find some of the best streetwear hype beast fashion on the market today, man. And also in this video, we're going to be doing another giveaway. I know we already got the Flint 13 giveaway running, but today I'm going to give something special to one lucky winner, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Smash that like button. That really helps the content get pushed throughout YouTube, and it helps the channel grow, man. So please, if you're watching, just smash the like button. It's free. And head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So all that being said, let's jump right into this video talking about where to find some of the best streetwear hype beast fashion, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, in today's video, it is sponsored by MONOCLOTH, man. They reached out to me, and they pretty much seen how I dress, and it kind of matched the style that they had going on with their whole brand. MONOCLOTH all started when two brothers went on eBay to buy a guitar, but instead of buying a guitar, they went down the fashion road and they seen something they liked, and they decided to create their own brand called MONOCLOTH, man. So the whole brand is based off of musician swag, like all the stuff you pretty much see all the rappers, musicians, singers, and stuff wearing today. MONOCLOTH has a dope app right now on the market. You can browse browse through everything they have. They got jackets, shorts, track suits. They have pretty dope shirts, so I'm gonna show you guys one today. They just have a lot of stuff that you see most of these rappers and musicians wearing, and the quality of the products is top notch. You guys already know I try to show you guys where to buy some of the best streetwear fashion. So I want to give a huge thank you for MONOCLOTH for reaching out to me, sponsoring this video, and let you guys know where to find some of the best streetwear to go with your kicks. All of their most recent collections that have dropped on the app pretty much is going off of all the trends that's going on today. You guys know tracksuits is running the market, denim jackets, the distressed denim jeans is really what's popping nowadays, and they have all that in their recent collection on their website. And when you're browsing the site, when you're browsing the app that you're gonna download today with the link down below, you're gonna be saving 20% off using the code DeVintageWorld20. All right, guys, so let's hop into some of the products they sent over for your boy. All right, guys, so for the first product they sent over for me, man, I was like, this is very dope. Please send this over in the care package you guys are sending over. And this is the Error denim jacket, man. Check it out up top. You got like some acid wash on the upper of the jacket. And of course you get that distressed feel all over the front of the jacket as well. The back of the jacket is what I really liked about it. Check it out. You got Error right here, and it's pretty much a whole static effect on the back of this joint right here. Check it out. Very fire. One of their best selling jackets on their site. I got this in a size medium, and then on the sleeves right here you can see you get a button over here, and of course you get a button on the other side, man. And all throughout the whole jacket, like I said, it's like an acid wash vibe on the front of the jacket and on the back as well. Like I said, the best selling jacket on there. Go check it out. I will link it down below so you can just click it and go straight to the product to check out before everything is sold out. You also got some pockets down here on the bottom of the jacket, and you still can see some of the acid wash denim throughout the bottom of the jacket as well. So yeah, like I said, link down below. Go check it out, and we're gonna get to the next product. All right, guys, next we have the Mona Lisa t-shirt right here. Check it out. And as you can see, it kind of has like that skeleton vibe in her face right there. Check it out. Very dope. I've never seen a shirt like this before, and I always love seeing like shirts with Mona Lisa on the front, but like I said, this one right here is very different. You got like this hologram effect over her face leading to the skeleton over the whole portrait, man. Very nice, and it's pretty much bordered off as if you would see the Mona Lisa on the wall in pairs. I got this shirt in the size large. It fit pretty good, so if you use this size medium, I'm using this size medium. This large fits very well for me, so go up a size in all of your shirts from MONOCLOTH. Nothing on the back right here. Check it out. It's pretty much a dope portrait of Mona Lisa with the whole hologram skeleton effect over the whole portrait. So if you're liking this one, man, click the link down below. It'll take you straight over there, save you 20% off using the code DeVintageWorld20, and we're gonna get to the next product. All right, guys, next we have a pair of blue washed denim right here. Check it out. And with these, what I really liked was the front. You see the caution tape running throughout the whole pant leg right here. Check it out. And it's all distressed vibe going down the right pant leg as well as the left one, man. You get different patterns, of course. You got a knee cut out right here with the caution tape, and on the other side you only get the distressed vibes on the upper of the thigh. So check it out. I got these in a size 36. I'm using a 34 in all my pants, but with MONOCLOTH I had to go up a size. I'm telling you go up a size because everything that they produce is made out of Turkey, so it's pretty much going out of Turkey's, you know what I'm saying, size and ranges. So go up a size in your shirts, go up a size in your jeans, and you'll be good to go. I was really liking these. I was happy they sent these over for your boy. You guys gonna see in the B-roll how dope they fit, and they fit just like a size 34 like I was telling you guys. So if you like these, like I said, link down below to every product you see. You can go check out with the code DeVintageWorld20 to save you 20% off all of their dope products. So let's get to the next one. All right, guys, so for the next product, we have an all black pair of jeans right here. Check it out. Very different, of course, because it has that kind of biker denim effect on the knee portion of the jeans. You also get like some white paint splatter on the whole pant leg on the left side as well as on the right side, man. Check it out right here. Very different. You don't see jeans like this with the paint splatter and stuff like that on a lot of different websites, but MONOCLOTH has them for you guys. If you like this type of effect, you like this style, like I said, it'll be linked down below. Go up a size in all your pants and shirts. I will stay true to size with the jackets because the size medium in the jacket that I got from MONOCLOTH fits very good, man. So trust me with that one. Go up a size in your pants and shirts. Go true to size with the jackets. So let me know down below if you are feeling these black jeans from MONOCLOTH in the comment section. All right, guys, so for the giveaway, I will be giving away 2 of the same jeans that I had from MONOCLOTH. We're gonna be doing this collab giveaway, and it will be given away tonight during the live stream. Like I said, we still giving away the Flint 13s, but I want to give some products away as far as fashion to the Vintage Squad. So right here, check it out. We got the Caution Biohazard Tape Blue Wash Denims right here that we'll be giving away, and the same black jeans that I have as well with the white splatter effect on the bottom of the jeans with the biker denim vibes right here, man. So we'll be giving away this tonight. All you have to do right now is download the MONOCLOTH app It is free. And also head over to MONOCLOTH Instagram page and give them a follow over there. And when you are done following them, all you have to do is screenshot that you have the MONOCLOTH app downloaded to your phone and send it to my IG, and I'm gonna check if you're following them on Instagram, and you will be the winner, man. I'll pick one lucky winner. It's gonna be random. I'm gonna randomly select them during the live stream, and you're gonna win some dope free denim, man. All right, guys, that is it for the video, man. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Hope you guys know where to get some of these dope denim jeans, shirts, jackets, and all that good stuff as far as streetwear, hype beast side of things. Go head over to MONOCLOTH to check out some of their dope products. Subscribe right now to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. Like I said, tonight we're going to be doing a 30K celebration with a giveaway. All you have to do is follow the rules I just gave you guys. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. Smash that like button. The likes really help the videos get spread out to different people, and it really helps the channel grow. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch everybody in tonight's live stream and in the next video, man. Peace.